let's break down our awe-some-blay. So awe-some-blay literally means to assemble. So we brush 1 foot and we land 2 feet. 1 foot to 2 feet. So if we go run, 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 and jump 2 feet together, that's technically an awe-some-blay because we're assembling our legs. But let's do it more correctly, okay? So an awe-some-blay, let's say we're starting in first position. An awe-some-blay brushes to the side. So we have to use our foot just the same as in a tendu. Brush and in and brush and in. But we're going to plie at the same time to that fondue position. So we brush, jump off this 1 foot, and land 2 feet together. So we go brush, land in first position. Let's try it on the left. Brush, land. It's very hard, slowly like that. Let's do it right, left, 4 times. Brush, land, brush, land. Brush both feet. Brush, land, brush, land. Very good. So that's a basic awe-some-blay from first position. We're going to often do them to 5th position. So we're going to start with the right foot behind. It brushes out to 2nd position. We plie, fondue that front leg. Brush, and our legs come together. Squeeze our thighs together in the air. And stretch your knees, land with that foot going to the front. So it goes from back to front, okay? So we go brush, land. Now with the left, brush, plie, jump 2 feet together, land. Again, brush, land, brush, land. Very good. So now let's go a little bit faster. 4 awe-some-blays. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Exactly, because of an awe-some-blay happens and 1. It doesn't go 1, 2. It goes and 1, because it's a fast footwork. It's for fast movements. Brush, land, brush, land, brush, land, hold, brush, land, hold. Okay? And that's your awe-some-blay broken down. Good luck.